Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nacho chips from scratch. It's surprisingly simple, requiring just a few basic ingredients you likely already have. We'll transform humble corn tortillas into crispy, golden chips perfect for dipping. Get ready to elevate your snack game with homemade goodness that tastes far superior to store-bought options. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. Once you have your corn tortillas, the next step is to prepare them for frying. Stack about 5 or 6 tortillas neatly on top of each other. Using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice the stack into 6 or 8 uniform wedges, just like you would a pizza. This ensures that each chip fries evenly and cooks to a consistent crispness, giving you perfect results across the entire batch. Now for the exciting part, frying your chips to golden perfection. Pour about 1 inch of a neutral oil, like canola or vegetable oil, into a heavy-bottomed pan. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a small batch of tortilla wedges into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes, flipping once until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Remove them with a slotted spoon. As soon as your chips come out of the hot oil, it's crucial to season them immediately while they are still warm. Sprinkle them generously with fine sea salt. For an extra kick, you can add a dash of chili powder, garlic powder, or even a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Arrange your perfectly crispy homemade nacho chips on a platter and serve them warm with your favorite dips, like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a rich cheese sauce. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.